Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today I'm going to be putting the Meater thermometer through its paces. Today I'm going to be testing out this Meater probe thermometer. It's a wireless thermometer and you just pop this into your meat and it sends a Bluetooth signal to your device and you can read out from there. Really interesting bit of kit. I've tried it out a couple of times and really impressed so far. So today I'm going to be testing it out on this beautiful bit of fillet steak. So I want to make sure this is cooked perfectly. So I'm going to insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat. On the probe itself there's a line about halfway along. You need to make sure that that is fully into the meat to that point. So in the deepest part of the fillet steak here, I'm going to push that right in until it reaches that mark. There we go. So that is perfect. I've just got a little bit of salt and pepper on here just for a bit of seasoning, and I'm going to pop this on the grill. I've got a medium hot grill here with lumpwood charcoal banked to one side, so I'm going to put the meat here. Here we go. This probe is good up to 275 degrees C. So you'll need to turn it a few times. Look at the colour starting to form on there. Okay, so the app is telling me we're at 23 degrees C internal, 198 ambient, and I've got 19 minutes remaining. So I think it has to go through a little bit of a process of establishing the temperature trend, and then it gives you a time. And we can see on here the temperatures of the internal starting to build. That was just when I opened it and turned it round. Okay, so I'm just going to check the range on this, see how far it is. So set for Bluetooth. And I'm going to go over there and see how far it is. So I reckon that is around 4 meters. I'm going to walk back till it loses signal. That's around 5 meters. That's around 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, and it's just saying there at about 10 meters the meter is disconnected. So I'm going to come back over, get to about here, and it's reconnected. So I reckon a good 8 or 9 meters there away, which is pretty good for Bluetooth. So now I can just sit and monitor my fillet steak on my phone, relax and have a nice cold beer. Lovely. If you want to go a bit further afield with this, then you can leave a device close to the Meater probe and it'll hook up to the internet, and then you can pick up further afield. As long as you can get like an internet signal further afield. So if you want to go further away, then you can still monitor it. There's also a way of hooking it up to the cloud, which will store your temperatures, and then you can access the cloud on the move from the pub or wherever on your mobile phone. So if you do want to go further afield, you can still check your temperatures, which is a really good thing, I think. The app has come up with an alarm. It says 5 minutes before cook ends. So that's going to be my resting time. So it's a 43 degrees C internal temperature, and I'm going to take this off now and rest it. So I'm just going to do a quick double check with my trusty thermopan into the inside and see that it's a similar temperature. So 44 degrees on the meter, 44.2 on the thermopan. So I'm happy that they are very consistent. I know and I trust this, so the temperature of that is good. So I'm going to take this out. That looks amazing, and I'm going to rest it. Okay, so the app on my phone told me that it was almost there and that it was resting. So it's just hit 52 degrees C and that it's ready to eat. So it's been rested for 5 minutes, just come up to temperature. So the target is 52 degrees C and I'm ready to get stuck in with this. I'm going to be serving this with a little cream horseradish sauce that I've made and some green stuff. Okay, so let's have a look and see how we've done with this. I'm going to take a slice out of the middle. There we go. Lovely and pink. That looks really nice and rare. It's well rested. And as you can see, the phone is telling me it's ready. Happy eating. So job done. So I'm going to have a taste of this and see how I've got on. My phone's going mental. That looks beautiful. Let's have a taste. Oh, that's beautiful. That's cooked perfectly for me. Nice and rare and juicy. And the fillet steak is stunning. I'm going to have this with a little bit of the cream of horseradish, as I like that with beef. That's beautiful. Really good. So, what do I think of this so far? For a first test with a steak, this is a brilliant bit of kit. It's got a decent enough range for Bluetooth, and I'm looking forward to putting it with my my low and slow cooks and to see how it does with that. So I'll be doing that in future. Impressed with this. The battery in here will last, I think, 24 hours at least, and you just pop it back in its cradle to charge up for the next time. So yeah, impressed with this. Really good bit of kit. I'm looking forward to doing some more cooks with it. If you like what I do here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, there's a box down there. Please subscribe, like and comment, and let me know you like my videos. Cheers.